Ito na yung dalawang ampalaya na hinarvest ko kahapon. Hindi ko na naluto kahapon kasi wala ng time. Mga ano na kasi ako umakyat dito sa taas, mga 5 o'clock yata. And then nagluto din ako ng ulam, yung mixed vegetables na may rosemary, coriander leaves at saka potatoes. So nag-ano na lang ako, tinola na lang ako ng konting chicken na with bones, and then hinaluan ko ng ano ba yun, yung dahon ng sili. So ngayong umaga ito yung aking gagawin. Ano ko ito lagyan ko ng itlog. Ito lang isa kasi magpiprito din ako ng talong. Ayan, ang laki nitong isa, oh. Yung pipino, dalawa yung kinuha ko. Ito muna ang slice ko. Tikman ko nga. Hindi masyado mapait. Ganda ng pipino, walang sira. I add only 1 whole egg. This is enough, 1 egg. Bitter gourd with egg. Organic bitter gourd. After frying or cooking bitter gourd with egg, now I'm frying 1 eggplant and 2 pieces of paprika or green chilies or capsicum. And then half of this bitter gourd, I make also salad. So I will put vinegar here. Yan. Fresh na na bitter gourd. Yan. And this one half I will cook. Mix with the eggplant, sponge gourd, beans, string beans. I make pinakbet or dinengdeng. So that's why I make only half salad of this bitter gourd. So we'll change now this one. This can be also for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But for me, this is for my breakfast. I have little rice, so I will eat breakfast. Now time check is I think 11 a.m. because morning time, when I wake up, breakfast for Fatma. I ate one chapati with tea. That is around 6:30 p.m. So now 11 o'clock. So this is my breakfast. Yan. My brunch, breakfast and lunch. White rice, cherry tomatoes, and spring onions, bitter gourd salad, fried eggplants, paprika, bitter gourd with egg, and corns with some vegetable sauteed.